There's too much information out there. It's very overwhelming. Hi, I'm Scott from Learn Beginner Guitar Online. I'm going to show you another myth of what might be putting you off from starting to learn the guitar. Okay, so all of the information, extremely overwhelming. Now, I couldn't agree more with that statement. Now, the thing is with the advent of YouTube and the internet, and there's just a massive amounts of stuff out there that you can learn from. And don't get me wrong, there's some absolutely fantastic stuff out there. But as a beginner, where do you start? You know, it's mind-boggling. I mean, the internet wasn't out when I first started, so I didn't have that problem. Now, instructional stuff on the internet is taught in many different ways, but that raises another question, and that's, is what you're being shown, is it the correct way and the best way of how to learn something? Now, and again, with all the massive amounts of information, you know, how do we know that? So my thing is, you want to be learning in a structured way, a structured learning, along with life support, which is a big thing. Now, you want someone to say, this is right, you're doing that wrong, change this. It gives you the motivation to play, the motivation to practice. And for me, massive, massive when you first start out as a learner. Now, okay, so the key takeaway, it's overwhelming. There's too much stuff out there. Start in a structured learning way, learn the right things. Life support, massive thing. And also, just as a starter, as I've alluded to in another video, is don't learn chords, start off with melodies. Chords are just, again, they can be very demotivating if you can't play them right, and because they're too hard. They're just way too hard when you first start learning. So if you'd like to see 6 other myths along with this one, click here for a guide on what might be putting you off from starting to learn the guitar, along with one myth about mastering the guitar takes way too long. Okay, hope you have a great day. Thanks for listening, and I will catch you soon.